Hey guys, I'm working on a fire pit. I'm going to take these rocks and make a little wall around this 18-wheeler rim. I got it leveled up, or close anyways. Yeah, we don't know what we're doing. We're just going to go for it and see what happens.
We just have an excessive amount of rocks right now.
The rocks come in the dirt pile, so we just figured we'd do this.
We just ended up with another truckload of pretty much all rock. What were you doing there? Just using a little piece to keep it level?
Yeah. Just flipping them whatever way they kind of fit best.
How are you making out?
Not too bad. See what you get?
Well, you got a couple layers all the way around.
Yeah, no, it just takes a bit picking through the rocks and finding ones that fit and moving along and doing another spot.
I think that's going to look really cool, though, when it's finished.
Yeah.
Should have some rocks left over by the look of it.
Yeah, thinking so.
Yeah, so pretty straightforward, guys. It's literally just piling rocks on top of each other evenly.
Hey guys, just about to the top of the fire pit here. Digging through, trying to find the right one. Hey guys, I got the Rock Firepit done. And, yeah, it looks pretty good. And I gathered up all the extra rocks that we had here and just filled in this low spot. Next time we get a load of dirt, try and get them rocks covered up. And yeah, that's it. Everything's coming along pretty good. Happy with it. See you next time.